Olongapo. Good Morning Bandera with DJ Yuri.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
107.1 News FM Radyo Bandera. Hey, 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 hey. Kamusta mga tropa ko? Lunes na naman. Monday, 18th of May, 2026. Ayan, kamusta yung mga kababayan natin, mga tropa natin? Okay pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Itong hirap na dinaranas natin ng buhay ng Pilipinong napakahirap. Hirap na hirap. Alam niyo ba yung DOJ nagrekomenda rin ng plunder raps, plunder cases? Sabi ng ombudsman, yung DOJ nagre-recommend sila ng plunder cases versus Senator Jinggoy. Ahay. Senator Jinggoy. Ahay. May nakita akong kumakalat na anong tawag dito? May nakita akong kumakalat na parang ano ba tawag doon? Reels, ayun, Reels sa Facebook, di ba? FAMAS. The Senator's Edition. Ayan. Tapos, ang galing ng pagkakagawa. May ano pa no? And the best actor, Senator category, winner is... May ganun no? Tapos bawat nominee, may bits and pieces ng nag-i-speech sila, yung senator na madamdamin, di ba? Yung kung naalala niyo yung kay Senator Villanueva, yung 40 years yan, hindi ginagalaw, ba't kayo biglang ginagalaw? Ganun, di ba? Kay Senator Bato, yung nung wala ako, hinahanap niya ako. Nandito, tatanungin, ba't nandito? Yun. Tapos yung kay Cayetano naman, yung under threat tayo sa Senate, di ba? Simple lang, sabi niya, may tinutukan kang baril. Tinutukan ka rin. Pinutukan ka, pumutok ka rin. May threat. Yun. Tapos nagalit pa siya, humampas pa ng under attack tayo. Ganon, yun. Yun yung mga entry, no? Sayang sana sinama nila yung entry ni Robin Padilla, yung nakikipagkamay, hindi nakipagkamay, di ba? Hindi niya tinanggap yung pakikipagkamay. Nagkulit ng mga gumagawa ng AI, mga... Pero yung mga cuts and pieces na yun, hindi AI yun. Talagang sinabi nila yung mga yun, na nangyari talaga yun. No? Para sa akin, ang winner dapat dyan si Senator Bato de la Rosa. FAMAS Senator Edition Best Actor Award goes to... Hanapin nyo na lang. It's all over Facebook. Nagkalat naman no? Para sa akin, acting ang pinag-uusapan. Sa acting ng lahat ng yun, pinaka-the best yung kay Senator De La Rosa para sa akin. Wala ako. Hinahanap nyo. Dito. Sabi nyo, ba't ako nandito? Bukod sa ang galing-galing ng acting, yung content yung nilalaman ng sinasabi. Parang bata no? Ano lang to opinion ko lang. This is just me. Ito yung mga nasasabi ko lang sa mga bagay-bagay. This doesn't necessarily reflect that of the station and the management. Disclaimer. Di ba? Totoo naman di ba? Pag may kaharap kang mama, ang laki-laking mama, tapos ganun yung pananalita, wala ako, hinahanap niyo ako. Nandito, tatanungin, ba't nandito ako? So, parang bata yung ganun, di ba? Parang ang datingan, parang ang tunugan is parang, tawag doon? Alam nyo ba yung nakikipaglaro ka ng bata ka? Di ba? Tapos dinuga ka, dinaya ka, di ba? Ganun. Ganun yung mga bagsakan. Ayoko na! Dinadaya nyo naman ako Sabi nyo, taguan lang, hahanapin ko kayo. Umuwi pala kayo sa bahay nyo. Paano ko kayo hanapin? Nasa bahay na kayo. Yung mga ganun ba? Ganun ang datingan di ba? Parang bata siya. Let's proceed na with that. Well, the usual. Alam nyo naman, bago tayo magsimula, nagkakatsikahan tayo ng konti, no? Today's holidays and observances. May 18, 2026 is International Museum Day. Ayan, in case you don't know, held annually around every 18th of May. Alright, coordinated by the International Council of Museums, or ICOM, kung di nyo alam, ICOM. The event highlights a specific theme which changes every year reflecting a relevant theme or issue facing museums intentionally or internationally rather. IMD provides the opportunity for museum professionals to meet the public and alert them as to the challenges that museums face. Yan. Alam niyo, when I was a kid, the first time na nakapunta ako sa isang museum, bata pa ako, I'm so amazed, no? I'm so amazed. And I was so excited. Sa ano yun eh, sa Manila Museum yun, no, ano ba, yung may official name, yung bata pa ako, hindi ko na matandaan, tagal na eh. I was just a kid. I was just in elementary grade 1 or grade 2 yata. Sinama ako ng parents ko in a museum. Tapos nag-field trip kami nung nasa elementary na ako. Yung field trip ngayon, ibang-iba na sa noon, ano? Yung field trip ngayon, yung mga ina-accommodate namin sa SBMA Telecoms, mga nanggaling sa Cagayan de Oro, di ba? Field trip na ngayon, nag-ano ka na, either nagbabarko ka na or nag-aeroplano ka na, no? Kami noon, ano eh, pagawaan lang ng Crayola tsaka Munggol, tapos uwi na eh. Ganun lang, ganun lang. Okay, and some more international observances. May 18 is also Buy a Musical Instrument Day. Alright? Alam niyo sa mga kids, maganda yan. Kung magiging, if they're gonna be into music, or hindi man, at least naranasan na nila na nagkaroon sila ng musical instrument, they played it. Maganda rin yan, no? Malay nyo, nandiyan yung kanilang magiging following someday, di ba? Yung kanilang magiging future, no? Alright? If you are to buy an instrument, ano yon? What would it be? Ako, when I was a kid, I even became a drummer. Yun. Yung little drummer boy, sa drum and lyre, gano'n. Yeah, okay. Tapos when I grew up, kinaya ko rin naman yung drum set talaga. Kaya lang hindi nagtuloy-tuloy eh. Kaya wala. I also tried playing guitar. Kaya lang, well, hindi rin talaga nagtuloy-tuloy. You can call me a, anong tawag doon? Disappointed ba yun? Oo. Hindi nagtuloy na musician. Okay, basta the word, I forgot. HIV Vaccine Awareness Day. Alright. And also, I Love Reese's Day. Yeah, me too. I love Reese's. The peanut butter chocolate candy. Yan, I love Reese's. And so is my bunso. Pareho-pareho kami ni bunso. No? Yan so among the chocolates, yan ang pinaka-paborito namin pareho. The Reese's brand of chocolate with peanut butter. What else? Today is also Speech Pathologist Day. Electronics Greeting Card Day. Supply Chain Professional Day. Ayan, yung mga nasa those who works in logistics, warehouse. All right. And lastly, today is also Visit Your Relatives Day. What if they're far? Sobrang layo. All right, so those are just some of the holidays and observances for today, May 18, 2026. And now, for the May 18 birthday celebrants naman this time. This one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. This one's being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo, and ongoing pa rin po ang buy one, take one forever. Forever na nga eh. So it's gonna be ongoing forever. A choice of 2 pizzas. Okay? Family size and big family size. Yung dalawang pinakamalaki, no? Okay? Same size, yung pangalawa, and libre. Wow! Tapos you get to choose the flavor, no? Hindi necessarily kailangan pareho doon sa binili mo. Yan. Whatever flavor you want sa pangalawa, pwede. Okay? So, for example, you buy a one big family size na Angel Supreme. Yung pangalawa mo, ganun din. Big family size din. Tapos bahala ka na kung anong flavor yung pangalawang gusto mo. Alright? So, as long as you have the APC card, kung wala ka pang APC card, Angel's Pizza card or Angel's Privilege card, go get yours. Yan. Dahil ang makaka-buy one, take one forever lang yung may APC card. Kaya pag meron kang APC card, meron kang forever. Buti pa sa Angels, may forever. Hindi kagaya ng jowa mo nung nagsawa na sa'yo, naghanap ng iba. Yung iba naman, ano, nung wala ka ng pera, naghanap na ng iba. Yung may pera din. Marami pa. If you have the APC card, di ba, may double deal pa, may triple deal, and special discounts on solo pizzas, and iba-iba, marami. Okay, maraming privilege yan. Yung APC card na yan, so get yours. Here are the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to... Happy birthday to you. You guys remember Filipino journalist si Teodoro Benigno, birth anniversary for him? Long time ago. May 18, 1923, when he was born. Tagal na, no? Yeah, so he's no longer around. Also, happy birthday to... Next up, we have Filipina actress Alec Vobic. May 18, 1981. Yung sexy film genre dati, no? Okay. Hindi naman X-rated. Sexy films lang, you know. And Richard Yap. Okay, ano ba si Richard Yap? Actor to, you know? Actor, and does he also sing? Alam ko kumakanta rin to, no? Yeah, pero mainly, he's an actor, si Richard Yap. They call him Sir Chief. Ayun, naalala niyo na, si Sir Chief. Sumikat siya sa character role na Sir Chief. Yeah. Naging moniker, carried on moniker niya na, no? Okay, next up we have happy birthday also to Toya Wilcox, the singer lead vocalist of the New Wave band back then. The New Wave band was called the band Toya. Yan, yung kanyang name. Okay. Next up we have, hindi naman yan yung kinanta ng ng Eraserheads. They try to tell us where Toya. Toya Wilcox, happy birthday. Tsaka yung Hong Kong superstar na naging Hollywood superstar din dahil he crossed over. Nagkaroon ng English movies. You guys remember si Chow Yun-fat? He turned 71 already. 71 na? Parang kailan na pinapanood ko pa to. Astig na action star ang datingan, you know? You know, yung isang movie niya, I forgot the title, holds the record for the most, pinakamaraming putok ng baril. Oh, kasi ginamitan niya ng alam niyo yung tawag doon, yung laser machine gun kung tawagin, yung umiikot. Yan, ginamit niya yun. So that movie, kalimutan ko na Hard-Boiled ba? The Hard-Boiled, nagkaroon niya ng part 1, part 2, part 3, and I don't know which part. Yung may hawak ng Guinness Book of Record. Yung nakahawak ng record. Pinakamaraming bala na ginamit. Kasi in movies, bala pa rin talaga yung ginagamit Pero blank, they call it blank bullets Yung pulbura lang. Yun ang pinakamaraming na-consume na bala ng movie. Grabe, ilang thousands of bala yun Libo-libo yun, ang dami. Okay? So yan, si Chow Yun-fat. Parang no? Pag tinagalog mo yung pangalan niya, Chow Yun-fat. Kain, yun. Tataba. Chow, yun, fat. Kain, yun, tumaba. Nga naman, pagkain ka ng kain, di yun. Tataba ka. Chow Yun-fat. Mabenta ba yung joke? Mabenta ba? Also, happy birthday to TV actor Luke Kleintank. Yeah, Kleintank. He was in the TV series Gossip Girl. Yeah. Basta, yun na yun. Hindi ako nanonood kasi nun. He was born May 18, 1990. Si Luke Kleintank. Yan, may may tangke ng isda sa bahay. Malinis lagi, malinis. Kleintank. Singer Jack Johnson turns 51 today. He's also one of today's birthday celebrants. Yan, yung mga songs niya, yung Upside Down, Better Together, Banana Pancakes. Ibang upside down to na hindi yung hindi yan yung You Turn Me On. Yan, ibang upside down yun. I'm gonna play the song para alam nyo. Total birthday ni Jack Johnson no? Okay? Today is also the birthday of our dear Pope John Paul II. Right? Ayan. Bilib ako sa mamang to no? Si Idol Pope John Paul II. He is the leader of the Catholic Church back then. By the way, he was born May 18, 1920. He passed away in 2005. All the other religious leaders, kahit hindi relihiyon ng Katoliko, ibang relihiyon, mahal siya, no? Yun ang nakakabilib sa kanya. Okay? Don't need to be Catholic to like him or no, but you like the person, di ba? If the person is good, the person is good, di ba? It's not religion that makes you a good person. It's you, yourself, the way you are. Just the way you are. Okay, you guys remember member of the Big Bang and also became a record producer. Marami siyang na-produce na nag-produce din for other stars. Si Taeyang or Taeyang kung tawagin. Dati siyang member ng the South Korean boy group Big Bang. He released his solo debut in 2008. He became a successful composer and producer. Si Taeyang. You know, when I first, nung pasikat pa lang yung K-pop noon, di ba? Hindi pa naman sikat yung K-pop noon. He is among those who became popular first, di ba? Hindi pa ako sanay magbasa ng mga Korean names. Sabi ko, nung pilinay ko yung song niya, sabi ko, here is a song from Taeyang. Binasa ko, yun nakalagay. Malay ko bang Taeyang pala? No one told me. And funny woman, Tina Fey. Alright, she is a comedian, SNL alum, and she's good. Tina Fey turns 56 today. TV actress and comedian. Alright, so there you have it, celebrities and the likes. Celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you May 18 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.